Step 6 will get you closer to an applicable digital strategy that is not only realistic, but in sync with the other strategies in your company, making it even more practical. Here's where all channels, both online and offline, come together to create a successful omni-channel platform. So, how do we get started? Let's break it down into 2 phases. First, bring on the manpower. Add some human input into the analysis of your strategic development. Organize workshops within your company to discuss how all strategies fit together and eliminate redundant efforts. The goal is to translate a general strategy into the specific context of your company, making sure your digital strategy fits in with the bigger picture, just like that. There are many strategic points you can bring to these discussions to put your priorities in perspective. For instance, look into synergies between low-priority and high-priority channels, low-priority digital channels and offline channels, or different high-priority channels that would justify increases, as well as redundancies that could lead to cuts. Does a priority mean demand too much of your time or budget that it should be decreased? Or perhaps you have internal competences that justify raising an unprioritized channel. Remember to keep an eye out for internal and external interests when it comes to this last point. Third-party suppliers shouldn't be a part of the discussion at this stage, much less your strategy. After the humans have had their say, the computers can take over. Well, not like that. In the second phase, our friendly computers are here to help. Performing a scenario analysis with an ROI calculator can help you test out how the different combinations of digital means can affect your digital goals. This method doesn't provide 100% scientific answers, but it has enormous power as a learning tool. Digging into the data and making these calibrations will broaden your perspective. Many variables come into play when you think omni-channel and figure out how it all fits together. The good news is, your digital strategy is starting to take its final form. Only one step to go.